It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hope everyone's having a good day.
Today we're going to do a flip cup on a 14 by 14 using Folk Art Violet Pansy, Apple Barrel Tropic Orange, Apple Barrel Dandelion, Artist Loft Black, Master Touch Light Magenta, Bright Aqua Green Basics, and a little bit of Artist Loft White. Got a 14 by 14 canvas, and what I've done is I taped up the edges to be like edge catchers with some masking tape. Never done it before. Saw somebody do it. We'll see how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this on here, and then...
You doing a flip cup?
I am, just like that.
That was a fast flip.
Flip cup. So what I did is I layered these paints, starting with the yellow, purple, orange, turquoise, and the pink, with a little bit of white, a little bit of black, now and then, a couple drops through the layers. I put 3 or 4 drops of silicone, coconut oil.
OGX?
Yeah, on the top of it, and I just put a little on a rag and I wiped the cup before I started to get the paint to flow out.
Oh, there's none in all the paints.
There's no silicone in any of the paints, just a little bit on the top.
Oh, cool! You got cells.
So we'll see how that works. Maybe I'll do a little slippery cup here. Those are pretty colors. Maybe I'll just stay with the slippery cup.
Slippery cup? Ooh, that cup inside is pretty on the outside too.
I know you're going to save the cup.
Ta-da!
You're going to save
Piece of art.
Save the cup with your paper towels.
You're funny.
I try. Wow. Cellular. Let us see. Let me just hit the top a little bit and bust my bubble. Reason I got so many Patty got so many fine remarks on the painting. She did the small painting she did with these colors. Thought we would try it again on a little larger canvas and see how that works out.
Oh yeah, you know, that's a good idea because then you don't lose as many cells and stuff, huh?
Well, you don't lose as much paint over the edge.
Yeah, that's true.
And then you can lose it when you want to later. When you take it off, you can kind of captures it. It's kind of like using a regular edge catcher.
This would be a way for people who aren't coordinated like me to be able, because I can't use an edge catcher. I mean, I probably could. I haven't really tried it, but I probably would fumble with it.
Give yourself enough credit there.
Well, I'd give credit if it was due.
Look at that red. Oh, I got one little pink drop in there, and I put pink paint in here.
Well, you could add some.
No, I don't want to add nothing.
No? Okay. Okay, I got a fact for the day.
You got a fact?
Okay, guys, listen up.
Okay.
Did you know that an ostrich
Has what?
eye is bigger than its brain?
No kidding. That's strange, you know, because birds on general, have pretty big brains.
Yeah, I know.
You know, like
Whoever-
parrots. Parrots are smart. They're pretty damn smart animals, and I'm surprised an ostrich, since it is a bird.
Does it have, maybe it has a really big eye though.
Maybe it has some really big eyes, correct, yeah. Maybe it does. Yeah, this pretty turquoise color, blue down there. Look, works nice, huh? Oh, look at them going over my edge catchers. There we go. Well, it's
Looks like the moon.
looks like the moon.
I don't know.
Good. Could look like the moon. So what I gotta do is I gotta remove these edge catchers.
Good luck with that one.
Huh?
I said, good luck with that one.
Oh, we're just gonna...
Is the dam gonna break?
The dam will break when the levee breaks. Here, you want to take that one back? Thanks, sir.
Welcome, honey. Welcome, honey.
You know, I put several drops of black paint in there. Do you see any black paint?
I got black paint on my fingers. Yeah, I think that's
You do?
black. There.
That's it?
In there, there's. Oh,
Oh, what? You stick your finger in my picture?
I did, but you can't see it. Sorry.
Oh, sure.
I like this one.
How's it that side over there? I really don't want to lose that blue.
Nothing came over.
Oh. Came over that side, nice. Came over most of this side.
Now be gentle. Don't put globs there, and don't change the color of it.
Yes, dear. Yes, dear.
Nothing on this side. Nothing on this side.
No, I haven't got there yet.
I'm just telling you.
I'm going that way.
Just helping you out.
Yeah, help me out. How do I come in, right?
Are you facing the camera?
I'm facing something.
Yeah.
Is it going over the edge?
Not yet.
Not yet.
No. It's starting over here a little bit. This is coming. This is slowing down. Oh, here it comes real fast. You don't want to
Is it coming over the edge?
It's not coming over the edge though. It's coming,
Oh,
but it's not over the edge yet.
we'll get it there.
See how it's, okay. No, keep going. You gotta get it in the, yeah, tilt it more that way.
Yes, dear. I'm tilting.
Sorry.
I'm tilting.
I don't want you to lose your pretty blue color there.
How's it doing?
Okay. You could always touch up.
Let's see. Oh yeah. I just get this side here, and I think we're cool. Oh, I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose my paint. How do I? Let's try this here. Got lots of this color down here.
Yeah, what color is that? That's a mixture.
Mauve. When in doubt, call it mauve.
Okay.
Okay, what?
The rule is you told me that we don't
Oh yeah, I got you. Okay.
sides. Okay.
Okay.
Aren't you gonna use the thing?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use my thing right here. Oh, the torch. Yeah,
Yes.
I got. Yeah.
Oh.
Is it in the camera at all? Oh yeah, sort of. Some torch heads working really fine.
I guess it wasn't working, but then we figured out that you have to,
Not tilted totally straight down.
yeah.
Where the propane runs out, it puts itself out.
Well, you weren't doing like that, were you? Totally?
No, not totally.
No.
Not totally.
But didn't you think that it was because the tank was too full?
Semi-totally. Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. Sorry, I'm yelling it again. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang that bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and coworkers. Check out our paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying again, thanks for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day.
Have a nice day.
Peace.
Nowhere's near this camera there.